Hey guys, how to send crypto from Kraken to another wallet. So go ahead and click the portfolio at the bottom not middle, a little bit to the left. So under the portfolio, or basically after you click the portfolio, you're gonna see your portfolio value and your cryptos. So you're gonna select the crypto that you want to send to another wallet. So in my case, I want to use fetch.ai, right? And under the balance, right, you can see chart and balance, and you can see two options: deposit and withdraw. So I'm gonna hit withdraw right here, right, and enter the amount that you want to withdraw, right? Let's say $1, right? And if you don't have an address and you want to add a new address, go ahead and click add new address right here in the screen, and then add the details of your new withdrawal address. Okay, and after you add it, just hit continue and follow along the steps to withdraw the fetchy.ai or fetch.ai, and then you're gonna be able to basically withdraw the crypto from Kraken to another wallet. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.